At ECS, we specialise in all aspects of electrical compliance. We provide independent and impartial electrical inspections and condition reporting services, predominantly in the social housing sector, but also within the public and commercial sector too. In addition to this, we complete a range of electrical services, including PAT testing, fire alarm testing, emergency lighting testing, and a range of installation and maintenance services. To date, we have completed over 120,000 electrical installation condition reports on homes throughout the UK. My business is committed to being totally transparent and professional in delivering all of these essential services. Our wealth of experience in the services we provide across all these sectors gives us a clear understanding of the challenges that our customers face when it comes to electrical safety and compliance in the social housing sector. We know that whether it's social housing, public or commercial sectors, we are working towards de-risking clients who, as we know, ultimately have numerous legislative and compliance objectives to adhere to. Our experience means that we know exactly when and how to adapt our services, ensuring our customers receive everything they require from an electrical contractor. They want a transparent, consistent, robust and accurate inspection process. We understand work must be carried out at a very high standard and to a specification that they provide. Because of the nature of the work, high quality, customer-focused service is essential. They need access to real-time compliance and audit information, along with budget control. They expect us to demonstrate outstanding knowledge and expertise and experience within the electrical industry. We have a team of highly qualified electrical engineers out on the road at any time, with offices across the whole of the UK and Ireland. Our engineers are supported by a dedicated team at head office, providing administration, IT, contract management and human resources. All of our engineers carry a tablet that enables them to manage and deliver every stage of the electrical inspection, including remedial works from beginning to end, because we understand from a client's perspective that getting it right first time is key to demonstrating value for money. Our bespoke software allows you to collect a fully comprehensive audit trail for every single stage of the process. Our clients have access to real-time reporting, certification and key performance information on the status of all inspections via dedicated portals. We are members of NAPIT, NIC EIC and a founder member of the AESM, and we're committed to continually improving electrical standards and awareness within the industry. We are also the only electrical contractor represented on the Electrical Safety Roundtable. This is a committee that produced the first electrical safety guidance specific to the social housing sector. Last year, the ECS Group acquired Total Environmental Compliance, a water safety and Legionella consultancy. This has added another string to our bow and aligns very well with everything we do at ECS. You can find links to them on our website.